We have some brand new things from Hunkydory, and these are called pattern packs. Now they are all made of the adorable scoreable cardstock. They are all A4 size, which is a generous 8.5 by 11. There are 3 sets. This is Snowflake Splendor, Sparkling Snowfall, and Christmas Melodies. Let's get into each one so I can show you what they have. Now, we're going to start with Snowflake Splendor, and there's a really fun little image here of stacked Christmas presents using all of these. And you're going to get 3 each of the designs. So here we have the first with the matching one on top. Then we have a smaller all-over print in burgundies, a blue. We have some snowflakes with swirls, and more snowflakes with swirls. Here we have it on a blue background and kind of a green background and more of a kind of blue purple. And this is really heavyweight. It's a 250 GSM weight, if that relates for something for you. And you do get 3 sheets of every single one that I just showed you. Okay, let's jump into the second one, which, as you might remember, is the Sparkling Snowfall. So here are the 8 designs in very pretty light blue, the purple that you see on the front, and a kind of teal, darker blue, even darker blue. It's kind of like it's distorted, and there you go. So again, you're going to get 3 of each one of those. Our last is the music. Christmas Melodies is the title. So this is very different, and how fun that you can see that. So Silent Night, Hark the Glad Sound, Lullaby, Thou Little Tiny Child, From Heaven Above, I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day, A Babe is Born in Bethlehem. So you can do some things. In fact, we have some music paper on sale that is actual paper. These, of course, are reproductions, but it's really nice. You can do stamping and coloring right on top of the music. And as you know, you can cut these apart and make very different elements. And here we have a jolly old St. Nicholas, and it's really nice to see Santa there. So again, 3 sheets of each with Christmas Melodies, Sparkling Snowfall, and Snowflake Splendor, all from our friends at Hunkydory.